Good everyone, you're watching Creative Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if you get an error message, your task manager has been disabled by your administrator whenever you're trying to open task manager on your computer. Now, there might be an instance where you're trying to open task manager, and when you get open a task manager, you might come across this error message. Now, there is a simple step to go ahead and fix this issue. To do this, you will have to open registry editor. So you can do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you may go ahead and type reg edit and then click on OK. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen. Once you are on the registry editor, in case if your registry is in expanded mode, you may go ahead and collapse those registry key by clicking on this arrow so that your registry is displayed in this structure. Once you're on the registry editor, you will have to go ahead and expand HKey current user. Under HKey current user, you will have to go ahead and expand software. Under software, you will have to go ahead and expand and look for Microsoft. Go ahead and expand it. Under Microsoft, go ahead and expand Windows. Under Windows, you would see a key which says current version. Go ahead and expand the current version. Under current version, you will see policies. You may go ahead and expand policies. Under policies, you would see a folder which says system. In case if you have any other folder, go ahead and locate for system, highlight system. On the right hand side, you would see a key which says disable task manager. Now there is a two-way to go ahead and fix this issue. One is you can do a right click and click on modify, change the value from 1 to 0, or else if you want to fix this issue permanently, you can do a right click and then click on delete and then click on yes, and make sure you're deleting disable task mgr key on the right hand side. Once this is done, close the registry editor and then try to open task manager. You should be able to open task manager on your computer. So this is how you can go ahead and fix this issue. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.